Hi guys, welcome to Teach Gambia, filming today from Carton, the local snake sanctuary here. As you can see, I'm quite literally filming inside the rock python enclosure at the moment. Can't tell you how strong this thing is. Hair a bit windswept from the motorcycle ride here. In fact, I'm not totally sure what scared me more, these snakes or the motorcycle ride. But then again, we had a problem with one of our vehicles, so what do? No space in the taxi for me. This is what needs to be done. And that's what I mean when I talk about the tourist bubble that is one of the things that we're trying to work against. I always feel that too often tourist operators are used by volunteering companies, and what do? They work against the local community, sitting on top of the local community, creating tension between them, distrust between them. Snake wants to say something. Where was I? Tourist bubbles. I don't think volunteers come to volunteer to get an experience of a local community which has got blinkers on, which is why we always make the most effort we can to work with local communities, hey, come back, so that we get experiences like this. These kind of things are what the tourists don't see. I think my filming partner today is getting restless, so I'll see you in the next video.